everyone, welcome to Shandong China. I'm Jerry. Today we're loading a large wood crusher to Indonesia. Behind me you can see that this machine with 132 kilowatt electric motor, the capacity at 10 to 15 tons power. This complete unit of wood crusher including an 6 meters input chain conveyor and 3 meters discharge conveyor and 10 meters output conveyor. This crusher inside we fit with hammer rotors inside. It with 24 hammers. With the hammers, it is not afraid of the steel or the iron material. So if you have the wooden pallet, wooden box, or wood logs or wood waste with any kinds of steel, it's no problem for that. With this machine, we also have a remote control, electric control panel. This electric control panel with a soft start control system, and you can see that. All this system with a remote control. We have fitted with 2 remote control device. All these the input chain conveyor and output conveyors with the frequency speed control. So it will be easy for your staff to operate this machine. Safety and easy. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.